Let's we do the second working note in case of partnership final account. So we have question number 1, A, Amar, Akbar and Anthony. In this case we have two partners, Amar and Anthony, and in between who is admitted? A is admitted. Now in the adjustment we have given, what is given? All ratio. Amar and Anthony. How much given? 4:1. Okay, and they also given new ratio. So very good. New ratio. Amar, Akbar and Tony. How much given? 3:2:1. Okay, so in this case whenever the old ratio and new ratio is given, we always find out the sacrifice ratio of the old partner. Old partner is going to be sacrifice as profit to the new partner. So let's we do the steps how to find out the sacrifice ratio. So first we write the formula. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. Let's we write down first. Who is that? Amar. Amar is equal to 4 plus 1. है ना? 4 upon पहले 4 upon 5. This is our old ratio. Now new ratio 3:2:1. How much is there? 3/6. Very good. ये कौन है? Amar. Now see that here is how much? 5. Here is how much? 6. So what we'll do? Direct cross multiplication. 6 4s are 5 3s are and 6 5s are 30. So how much coming? 3/10. Very good. इसको शॉर्टकट करेंगे तो 1 upon 3/10 शॉर्टकट बता दिया. Very good. So 24 minus 15, how much there? 9. है ना? 9 divided by 30. 9 divided by 30. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 10. So see the once again 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 6. Now you can see that this denominator is not same. We have to make the same. So what you do? 6 into 4 24. 5 into 3 15 and 6 into 5 30. So now minus 24 minus 15 9 and 6 into 5 30. So in shortcut 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 1 and 0 ka 0. So 3 upon 10 is a sacrifice by whom? Amar. Now second partner who is there? Anthony. So Anthony how much is there? 1 upon 5. How you got 1 upon 5? Say Anthony 1. Total 5. Minus 1/6. Anthony 3 plus 2 plus 1. और एंथोनी कितना है? 1. So 1 upon 6. So again 6 into 1 6. 5 into 1 5 and 6 into 30. So is equal to 1 upon 30. So in this case how much? A कौन सा था? 9 upon 30. Who is the first one? Amar and Anthony. So Anthony का कितना था? अमर का कितना था? 9 upon 30. और Anthony का कितना है? 1 upon 30. So ratio is how much? 9:1 is called the sacrifice ratio. 9:1 is called sacrifice ratio. So in this way, if the old ratio and new ratio is given, we always find out the sacrifice ratio. Now why we want sacrifice ratio? Because in this case Because how much goodwill brought by whom? Goodwill bought by whom? For rupees 40,000. किसने लाया? Akbar. Akbar bought how much? Goodwill 40,000. And this 40,000 given to the whom? All partner in their sacrifice ratio. So we know sacrifice ratio. How much? 9:1. And how much goodwill is given? 40,000. So we will give the Amar. हाँ very good. So अमर को कितना देना है? 9/10 into 40,000. How you got 40,000? 9 plus 40,000 is given. 10 how you got? 9 plus 1 10 9. So 0 cancel. So 9 4s are 36. 36,000 goodwill will be taken by whom? अमर. अमर को कितना मिलेगा? 36,000. अभी कौन है? एंथोनी. So एंथोनी कितना देना है? 1/10 into 40,000. So how much coming? 4,000. So total कितना होगा? 40,000. So this 40,000 given to the whom? All partner in their sacrifice ratio. That is not Amar and Anthony. So in this way we always give the goodwill to the old partner which is brought by new partner. So उसके लिए जनरल एंट्री क्या होती है? Goodwill account debit. Journal entry for distribution of goodwill. So goodwill account debit. हाँ very good. To Amar capital account. To Anthony capital account. Goodwill bought by the Akbar. Taken by whom? Amar and Anthony. So giving goodwill to the partner. Journal entry. Goodwill account debit to Amar capital. To Anthony capital. So goodwill कितना था total? 40,000. इसको कितना दिया? 36,000. इसको कितना दिया? 4,000. Being goodwill given to the old partner in their sacrifice ratio. Being तो यहाँ पे हम लोग लिखेंगे being goodwill given to the partner in their sacrifice ratio. So in this way we have to find out the sacrifice ratio and give goodwill to the old partner in their sacrifice ratio. Now let's we do all type of the working note in question number 1 under the partnership final account. So first working note about the time ratio. Time ratio is very important. Each and every case you have to find time ratio. Why we have to find out time ratio? Because all the fixed expenses we have to divide it pre-post in profit and loss account. For example, salary, pre-post, rent, pre-post, insurance, pre-post, audit fees, pre-post, legal fees, pre-post, depreciation on furniture, pre-post. So all the indirect expenses will be always divided in the time ratio. So let's we find out the time ratio. Now in this case, trial balance is given at the end of the year. So what is the year end is given? 31st December 21. So with the help of this December, we will find out the 1st January 2001. Our ending is December given the question. So we know that we are going to start from 1st January, okay, 21. Now in this case we have to draw the straight line diagram. So let's we draw all the months. First is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So this is starting month to the end month. Now let's we see that initially we have two partners, Amar and Anthony. Amar and Anthony. In between, the date of admission of partner is given on 1st July 2021. So see the January, February, March, April, May, June and July. From July 1st, 7, 21. Admitted. Who is admitted? Akbar. So Akbar is incoming in this case. Okay. Akbar is admitted for in the financial year. So see the before the admission of the partner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the 6 months. And this period is known as a pre-period. Which period? Pre-period. So before the admission of partner, the period is known as a pre-period. And this, after the admission of partner, how many months are there? July, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is June 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the 6 months. And this 6 months is called which period? Post period. So pre-6 and post-6. So this is coming 6:6. Therefore time ratio is 1:1. So each and every case in this way we have to find out time ratio.